person is ever so inspiring. Currently is associated with Fujitsu, a Japanese conglomerate with an intense experience of 12 years into corporate HR. And he'll be sharing the insights about HR perspectives, what HR expects from a candidate, and all about recruitment trends and future about employment. Over to you, Brijesh sir.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for the introduction. And hope am I audible to everyone. Very good afternoon to all of you.
Yes.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hi. This is Mr. Brijesh here. And first of all, let me appreciate Sachin and his team, Gaurav, for this fabulous initiative. Definitely this platform would help all the job seekers, especially if we talk about the freshers. And to take it further, before I speak, before I take you through with my YT now, let me thank Deepak and Vishwajit ji for their experience, sharing their experience. And Deepak, the session was really wonderful. Most of the technical fronts, it was good to know about like what technical front the CV, resume or the profile should be on a social media platform. If we talk about professional social media, that is LinkedIn. Then Vishwajit ji, not only for these all the job seekers and the applicants, the session was really kind of inspiring for me as well. And I always appreciate you and follow, and always it's a blissful to listen you know. And definitely the important message here you conveyed is like be completely you to everyone. Because yes, as you said, we do face this problem when people come for an interview and the discussions, they are completely different. If I go say for Brijesh, I'm not a Brijesh at the time of interview. I think like I will be a completely package for what industry and the market is looking for. So that's not in reality. So yes, everyone on the call, I would again repeat here as Vishwajit ji has rightly said that be completely you, never change yourself. Never change your attitude, never change your confidence, and be completely focused what exactly the goal of your life, what exactly the goal of your career, and do the job, see the career where you find yourself, your personality, you know, and you are you are fitting in that kind of culture and the job. So that's the important thing here. I would like to summarize from Vishwajit ji's experience and the sharings. And to talk about me, Gaurav has already given my introduction, and I think that's enough much. I am an HR professional now working in Fujitsu India. I'm a corporate HR and diversity and inclusion evangelist for 5 locations of Fujitsu, that is Pune, Mumbai, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. So this is short about me as in Brijesh. Taking further from Vishwajit ji and Deepak ji, about LinkedIn, what profile has to be and what we look for a profile. If I'm not in a recruitment, but yes, I do have a background and I do know as an HR wide what we look for in profile and what exactly the profile should be. So few suggestions and the recommendations from my side. If you are considering most of you all are freshers here, so for freshers, if you are building your LinkedIn profile, please have your objective clearly written. What exactly the career you are looking forward for and where you fit into that. And based on that objectives, have the skill sets mentioned to support your objectives and to support your professional skills and the qualifications. As rightly said previously by Vishwajit ji, please do not mention anything personal like I'm honest, I'm sincere. No one is interested to know, and we do not have the time also to know, what kind of person you are, what are your hobbies, what are your strengths. Gone are the days. We are not interested to know what are your hobbies, what is your weakness, what is your strength and all these things. We just know what kind of person you are, what education, what skill sets you are bringing to the table for the position you are interviewing for or for the position you are applying for. So that matters. So crisp and short introduction, a brief about the skill sets your academics. And I do have noticed and observed that people also mention personal details like mother, father, siblings, married, unmarried. So please do not have all these things. Personal details should only have your date of birth, your gender. However, nowadays current trend is gender also doesn't matter, because we are moving ahead. The corporate is moving ahead globe gender neutralization. So we are not looking for what kind of gender you are having and you're holding. So personal details, only your date of birth, your communication address, that's it, and the nationality and the languages you know. These four I think suffice the personal details. Rest all the things, strength, weakness, father, mother, marital status doesn't matter. So this would help to have your profile short. So this is about the profile, the resume. If you are below 5 years experience, it should be resume and should not be more than 2 pages. If you are holding a 5 years plus experience, it will be called as considered as a CV, curriculum vitae, that can be of the 3 pages. If you feel like your profile is not, you are not able to manage your profile, you are not able to have all the details about your experience, your skill sets, your profile, projects manageable in 2 pages or 3 pages, what we could do is first page your objective skills and the current experience. This is for the experienced people I'm talking about. The second page should after experience have top 3 projects mentioned in a brief, like what was the project, what was the aim of the project, and your role. That's it. If recruiter, if interviewer is interested, he or she will take you through with the details, will ask you for the details, and remaining all the projects, just the titles, number of the projects and just the titles. If I am taking your interview and if I feel that from the title these projects I should ask you to elaborate, then you'll be able to elaborate. So no need to mention all the ABCD to XYZ about the projects and the details and the experience you hold about. So this is about experience ones. As most of the people, most of all of you friends are freshers on this call, so your objective skills supporting your objective, then your professional qualification followed by your internships, that suffice the purpose. So this is about the profile. When we talk about, am I audible, right? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
okay. No, to correct here once again, I'm not ma'am, I'm Mr. Brijesh here. So, and no need to
Okay,
call me
sorry,
ma'am or
sir.
sir something. You can call me Brijesh or simply by my nickname is Goldie. So
Okay,
feel free to
okay.
call me Brijesh. So first rule of corporate culture is no, don't call anyone sir or madam. Feel free to call at least by the first name. So Brijesh here for all of you. So you can call me Brijesh or Goldie. So this is about the resume and the CV in short. To build your profile and the network on the LinkedIn, what we could do is, now most of the friends, all of you are here from the pharmaceutical background. So let me tell you, if you are looking for something to build upon your profile on LinkedIn, start following the companies from the pharmaceutical domain. You start following all the top companies, and then start following the HR professionals from that from those companies. And then again, as Vishwajit ji said and Deepak ji said, start following the technical people as well, experience one and all, and start send messages. Doesn't matter. Now say for example, I'm an HR in a pharmaceutical IT company, so I think on call we have an engineer, Khagesh, from Solapur. So what you can do is, if you are from engineering background, so now you know Brijesh is an HR from Fujitsu. It's an IT company, so can be helpful to build your network. So get connected, get introduced, seek advice. So, I may not be helpful for you to get a job in my company or in my network, but as an experienced person, I'll be able to share the experience. I would be able to forward you or refer you somewhere, as well as it will be in my mind, okay, Gaurav, as someone is, I'm talking about LinkedIn and this is the position, can I check this candidate upon? So this how it works. This is a professional building, this is a rapport building. So do focus on the rapport building. First rule is have your profile meaningful. Now you all are millennials, you know how to use the internet and all. Do learn, do studies, and what kind of profiles are for the freshers, how it should be for the experienced one, and have all those things, those you know. As Vishwajit ji says, don't fake at all. Don't fake at all on the skills, because what happens is if you keep continuing talking about 10 skills on your resume, I'm not sure which skill I should ask you. I can pick up about 5th or 6th number skills, and it could be a possibility that skills was a fake. So here you got, so only mention top 3 skills which you can talk confidently about it if you are fresher. Mention top 3 skills if you can confidently share your experience of your work, or if you have achieved something, appreciation or something, that on those top 3 projects you can mention if you have experience. So this is kind of something you can say about idea. जस्ट से जिस चीज में आप लोग अच्छे हो, पॉलिश्ड हो, वही चीजें मेंशन करो. जिस चीज में आपको बस इंट्रोडक्शन पता है, if you have just no theoretical knowledge, please do not mention those things there. So this is about profile. Follow the companies, follow the people. And second thing is, on LinkedIn there are enormous groups also. If you are in a pharmaceutical domain, IT domain, then as per your skill sets, follow those groups as well. Not only on LinkedIn, but those are on Facebook, Instagram. I am not sure on Instagram, but Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, you can follow it and just keep writing it there as well. You can post something from your side. You can, if someone is posting, do comment on that, do like on that. Thus your profile will be on the get refresh, and you will be and as a recruiter says that search engine and profile would come first and all. So this is keep refreshing your profile. So this is in short from my side on social media, how the profile should be and what you have to look upon, what you have to follow, and how you have to build your social professional networking. Then to talk about being an HR, how we see the current job market, to take you through with the HR perspective, the job market today amid COVID-19 and the tomorrow. So I don't see, recently we had a conference on the national level for the corporate HRs, and we discussed like how the situation is now and what would be the future. So honestly, there is a lot of panic. People are saying that there are too many layoffs are happening. There will be job cuts. There will be a slowdown on the economy. So this is a temporary phase. As someone rightly said, Vishwajit ji and Deepak ji and Gaurav also, I think in the starting, that a slowdown in the economy, ups and downs in the economy and the job market, that are the rotational parts and the cycles which would come after each 5-10 years regularly. But that doesn't mean that market would completely stop and there will be no scope for the freshers, there will be no scope of the career, and the people will have no job. No, that's completely false. The reality is there is a lot of work in the market. The reality is actually we corporate are facing a crunch of people. Facing a crunch of people means what I'm trying to say here is I have thousands of graduate engineers. From the thousands of graduate engineers, I am struggling to find 100 qualified quality engineers. I think you hope you got the message. What message is? Only the degree doesn't matter. Only the degree which institute doesn't matter. I'm talking about the quality, qualified professionals here. What we'll look forward for a candidate, it's not only the technical skill sets and your academics. We look forward for your passion. We look forward for your confidence. We look for your attitude. As Vishwajit ji said rightly previous back, we can take a gadhas also and can train them and can very productive employee. So be completely yourself. Work on your confidence, work on your knowledge, work on your attitude. Attitude is not like a wrong attitude I'm talking about. Attitude is of course a positive attitude, and yes, whatever is there, I know this and I can do this. That attitude matters. This we are looking for. As a corporate HR, I do go for the campus interviews as well to meet the people, to interact with the students of the colleges, and I I completely shocked to see how fake people are nowadays. They are absolutely other person. It's like a kind of they're speaking someone like an on a mirror and just doing a practice of what they have learned from the internet or what have been taught from the professors or the faculty members. No, I we look we look for a confidence. We look for the way you are. We believe in be completely you. So that is the mantra for next generation, for all of you the millennials. Gone are the days like polish होके जाना है, तेल लगा के चुपचाप hair करके जाना है, और kindly of course formal dress should be there, but इतना भी formal नहीं होना चाहिए कि you would look like a machine or robot. So be completely you, and then once you start believing in you, the world will be yours. World will embrace you. I will not take much more time, but if Sachin, Gaurav, maybe 2 minutes quickly, I will share my experience. Is it okay?
Yeah, please go.
Okay. So what has happened is Fujitsu. Recently, I joined Fujitsu last year in companies. So for the interview was scheduled in a daytime. I had taken a half-day leave from my previous organization, and I was there in Fujitsu before 10 minutes. I went at reception, security check, and everything has happened. And then reception, I told the lady that, hi, this is Brijesh Deshmukh, and I'm here for so-and-so position and interview. And so-and-so person is my interviewer. I guess she has invited me. So the lady told me, okay, you can go and wait in that waiting room. So in Fujitsu, Pune reception, we have kind of fight and waiting rooms, and she guided me towards one waiting room. So I thought, okay, let me go and sit there. So in that room already there were two gentlemen sitting. I went there and I sat down. Those two gentlemen started looking at me. I looked at them. मैंने भी देखा, और then I just focus here there. Cell mobile निकाल के देखा कि what time I have reached and how much time is left behind for the interview. Then the one gentleman, he asked me, he said, I have an interview here. So I said, oh, okay, wow, all the best. Even I do have an interview here. And then I started looking at myself. मैंने mobile निकाला, camera निकाला, और मेरे बाल ठीक कर दिया. So then he said, no, I mean to say is, I am taking an interview of this gentleman. I am an interviewer, and the next person is a candidate whose interview is going on. So this is an interview going on. So I said, oh, okay, no problem. I'm so sorry. And I was not sure whether this is an interview room or waiting room. And I came outside of that room. But जो 5 minutes का हमारा interaction था, the way those people were looking at me and the way I looked at him, मेरा look ऐसा था कि ये लोग मुझे ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हैं? Like that confidence and attitude I had is, why you are looking at me? That is none of your business. You carry on yourself. Because I was not aware that was an interview going on. So then, after 15 minutes, I was called in a room, and to my wonder or to my shock, the person was the same person who was I was spoken with. Okay, all the best for your interview. That moment I came to know, oh, this person is taking my interview, and I felt like, oh God, rejected. So the first thing that person said is, hi Brijesh, this is so and so, and I'm an interviewer. If you get selected, I'll be your manager. And he said, I liked your confidence. I got selected, I joined Fujitsu, and after that day, I asked him what, I told him, I considered I am rejected, and also because I gave you the attitude, look and everything, and I asked, why are you looking at? So he said, I like the confidence. The way you confidently spoke to me, because you are not aware of that is a waiting room or interview room. You consider it as a waiting room, and you ask us why we are looking at you. So that matters. So to summarize is, be completely you. Never shy, never ever shy. डरो मत, जो भी है वो पूछो. Like Vishwajit ji said is, while you were introducing yourself, ऐसे लग रहा था कहाँ से जबरदस्ती लाया है आपको, या फिर आप अगर गलत इंट्रोडक्शन देते हो तो हम कुछ आपको मारेंगे या जेल में डालेंगे. No, why? And second thing is, what I observe, especially people from Maharashtra, whenever it comes to communicate, we go so dumb. हम बता ही नहीं सकते. मतलब क्या है कि 100% you are, no one is 100%, but even if you know 100% something about it, Maharashtrian people 50% भी नहीं बता सकते. So please focus on that. Please focus on that. Please be talkative. Talk. You have to talk more. If you have to survive in a corporate, if you have to make your career in a corporate, not only you have to do a donkey work, but you have to project yourself. That is your talkative person. अगर किसी को प्रमोशन मिलता है, किसी को अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है, तो मैनेजर, एचआर, मैनेजमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या देखेगा कि ये बंदा आगे जाके 4 लोगों को हमारा मैसेज कन्वे कर पाएगा, ये बंदी आगे जाके 4 लोगों को हमें रिप्रेजेंट कर पाएगी, या खुद ही शाय रहते हुए हमारा 50% का काम 25% बता के हमारा काम तमाम करके आ जाएंगे. सो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ अ काइंड ऑफ ओवरऑल थिंकिंग. सो योर कॉन्फिडेंस, your positive attitude, then your body language, of course. Never lose ever your confidence when you are speaking to someone, be it in personal life, be it in your professional life. Do believe me, if you speak confidently, if you know what you are going to do it, you will sail through all the success, be it professional, be it personal. So confidence, your presence of mind, your positive attitude, that matters to survive in a corporate world, to get the success in a corporate world. And so this is, I think I'm not boring all of you, but yes, this is me, something like I go keep on talking, and this comes naturally all of through my experience and the observation of the people. And so be yourself, be completely yourself. If you see Fujitsu on LinkedIn, if you see Fujitsu on the website and the social media websites, there will be so many posts on the Fujitsu. Be completely yourself. That is something, as a diversity and inclusion evangelist, we have started this campaign across Fujitsu Global 37 countries. Be completely you. Doesn't matter who you are, where are you from, what kind of English you are speaking into. It's a fluent, it's a kacha pakka, doesn't matter. I am looking for, मेरा काम हो रहा है, you are doing it flawlessly, you are doing it confidently, doesn't matter. Should, could, would, doesn't matter for me in English. If you are able to convey your message using should, could, would, and if it is clear, that suffices the matter. So a kind of recommendation for many of the candidates during interviews, they struggle, they juggle up with thinking about grammatical whether I'm correct or not. So please do not focus on the grammar, do not focus on the grammatical, because you are not from the literature, and English is not your mother tongue as well. English is your professional language, right? So we know Russians, we know French, we know other Japanese and the Chinese. When I talk with my Japanese and French colleagues, to my wonder, उनका English ऐसे होता है कि हमारे इंडिया का 5th या 6th standard का बच्चा भी बोल लेता है. But that's a confidence. They say it's not my language, it's my professional language, and that you have to understand. तो हमारा जो एक फोबिया है इंडिया में, अगर कोई इंग्लिश अच्छा बोलता है तो he or she is Polish, that is absolutely wrong. That is absolutely wrong. So don't shy to speak in English. हम सब लोग इंग्लिश में बात करने को घबराते हैं, तो वो जो डर है ना, वो निकाल दीजिए. Whatever you speak, speak from your heart. Whatever you speak from your mind. That conveys your message, that conveys your confidence, that conveys what kind of person you are, and how I will come to know, how a HR or how a manager will come to know, okay, मुझे यही employee चाहिए, मुझे इस टाइप का एम्प्लॉय चाहिए मेरी टीम में काम करने के लिए. And here you go, you will have a selection and world will be yours. So this is something about your personal attitudes and the confidence. Talking about the market situation today, yes, amid COVID-19, lot many things have changed, lot many things will be changing also in a world, and corporate world is not an exception for that. But if we talk about so much fear, so much kind of, so much kind of vain talks about market will lapse, there will be no jobs, people will be unemployed. नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा. There will be jobs. There is a lot of work coming to all of us, but we have to be polished. foolish. We have to be, always keep ourselves upgrading as per the market demand. If you have those skills, if you have that confidence, you will not be unemployed person. First of all, be completely you will not be unemployed. Second thing, you have the upgraded skill sets as per the market demand, you will be not unemployed. Please do not say I am honest, I'm sincere. Nothing. We don't want your sincerity, we don't want your honesty. I want 9 to 5 person, Monday to Friday, completely at work. That's it. So your honesty doesn't matter, your sincerity doesn't matter. At the end, what was assigned to you and how efficiently you are doing, that is getting counted everywhere. So do consider this as well. Post-19, amid COVID-19, we all are working from home. That doesn't matter. Working from home and work from office, that is the same. We keep working on Monday to Friday, 10 hours like we used to work in office. So nothing has changed for IT sector, banking and finance sector, insurance sector. All are working. Manufacturing field would have affected because of COVID-19, because yes, people work there on the plants for the manufacturing. So some difficult time for the manufacturing industry. But yes, now considering the unlocking and the government would be taking more steps, because government cannot also afford this much time to have the industry shut. So there will be work, of course. So don't worry about the work front. Keep yourself upgraded, keep yourself confident, keep yourself available, approachable in the market. Build your network, be work on your socializing skills as well. Don't shy, be completely yourself. Future prospect of the job, as you all are from pharmaceuticals, yes, pharmaceutical companies have lot of scope now, considering all this amid COVID-19 and the future prospect of the global environments and the diseases, new infections and viruses the world is getting into this too. So yes, this is pharmaceutical industry, healthcare industry, one of the industry which will be recession free as always, and you have to be very thorough in your knowledge to survive. Because in India, not only in India, if we talk about the globe, why we say we are unemployed? Because the ratio of the demand and the supply. Demand is for 10 people, supply is for 1,000 engineers or 1,000 professionals. But then that 1,000 professionals, if I have a demand for 10 people, I'm not getting at least 6 people who are genuinely qualified or genuinely thoroughly knowledge about it. So first thing is, now you all are graduates, but what I would like you to convey to your siblings, your younger brothers, sisters, or friends, or relatives, or your network, please communicate people that choose the graduation where they feel comfortable. इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनना है, MBA करना है, सोशल स्टेटस करना है, इसलिए मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा, डॉक्टर बनूंगा या MBA करके मार्केटिंग HR बनूंगा. No, think on you what you are. If you have something good if you can draw a good picture, why not? You can make your career in that field also. If you're good in playing, you can make your career good in that also. If you're good in singing, you can make your career. It doesn't mean that if you are a good singer, you will have a career only in Bollywood or any other film industries. You can have your good career in your local circle as well. Lot many channels, lot many avenues and the platforms are available. FM radios, these blah 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 blah, internet, everywhere there are opportunities. So doesn't matter engineer ko job milega, doctor ko job milega, HR ko MBA ko job mila. No. You have your skills, whatever your likings is, you go there, you will survive and you will be successful. If you could see my profile on LinkedIn, the first line I think you would observe, I'm not sure whether it is there or not, but I remember I have not seen my LinkedIn profile as of now for a while. If you could see, the line is, I do not do a job, I do not work. I have chosen a career what I likes it. So this has to be your attitude. Okay. So once you are clear on that, you will not be working. You will be working on your likings, which will earn you lots of money, lots of Lakshmi. And as Vishwajit ji said, yes, जब आप कमाते हो you feel, something different. When you are able to do something for your parents, for your loved ones, for yourself also, it really matters. It really matters. So don't follow the society. Follow your likings, follow your mind, follow the person you are, the way you are, and listen to that. Listen to your heart, listen to your mind, and go there. You'll be successful. हो सकता है किसी को पेरेंट्स कभी आज बोलेंगे नहीं 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 तुम यहाँ मत जाओ, ऐसे करके क्या करोगे, वहां पे तो कुछ स्कोप नहीं है. No, that doesn't matter. After some time where you go in your like the field whichever is close to you, rest assured tomorrow, if not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if not day after tomorrow, after a couple of months or couple of years, people will say yes, तुमने ये सही किया, you were right at your place. Okay, so this you will also, you please you can consider these things as just as a kind of advice from a friend who has seen world more than a couple of years than you, and who has been having experience of people around a couple of years more than you. So this is just a kind of briefing from the experience I learned from different people, my family, my relatives, friends, colleagues, and other colleagues from other countries as well. Don't worry, unemployment रहता है, जिसके लिए रहता है वो, that is only for those are not able to cope up their self as per the market demand. There will be a jobs, there will be a scope of employment to everyone, and downtime, slowdowns, ups and downs, that is a part of the economic cycle. Every year, each alternate cycle, this would happen. So I don't think any kind of negative effect of COVID-19, that is the corona, on the job front. I do not see any future challenges when it comes to an employment or the corporate, private sector, manufacturing, BFSI, insurance, IT, aviation, blah 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 blah. So many healthcare, many important. Many things to come. Many things would be based on the artificial intelligence. So this is the one area you all could. Doesn't matter that if you are from any other background, if you're not from not technical, but at least have a brief. At least know what artificial intelligence is, because yes, not today, not tomorrow, but in coming future, AI would play an important and vital role in everyone's personal as well as professional life. So do a brief search about it. At least know what AI is and how your field will be, adjusted with artificial intelligence. That is one thing you could think about it. Keep sourcing, keep networking, keep upgrading yourself, keep your strong belief in yourself, and yes, do not forget your upbringing. First of all, from your family. I am from different family background, you are from different family background, someone is from different family background. Don't try to change yourself, your learnings from your parents. That is, I'm talking about good learnings, of course, for someone else. Someone say that, hey Brijesh, I tell you my experience is like I've been through with convent bishops, so I speak at least okay English, not good, but something, what happens, people from Marathi medium or for English medium, this is, I'm giving you an example from a reality, what happens in office. Sometimes people shy to speak to me, or they do not open up in front of me. I said, why? They said, no, you speak so much, so good, I can't talk to you like that. I said, why you are thinking that I should expect you to talk to me like that? क्योंकि मेरे से अच्छा एक ब्रिटिश पर्सन इंग्लिश बोलता है, मेरे से अच्छा एक दिल्ली का यूपी का बंदा हिंदी अच्छा बोलता है, मेरे से अच्छा कोई और मराठी बोलता होगा. तर तुम्हाला गरज नाहीये की तुम्ही माझ्यासारखंच माझ्या इंग्लिश मध्ये बोला. जसं तुम्हाला बोलायचं आहे, जैसा आपको बोलना है वैसा आप बोलिए. जो मुझे अंडरस्टैंड करना है वो मैं अंडरस्टैंड करूंगा. So this is something from you, very simple takeaways. Don't ever get confused about the future. There is something for everyone in future, provided you focus on where you have to go how you have to go and what you have to do. If you focus on these things, yes, world is yours. Have your confidence, be complete yourself. That's it from my side. And I wish all of you a wonderful and a fabulous future. And once again, thank you, Sachin, Gaurav, and everyone for this wonderful platform and the avenue and an opportunity to speak to this lovely and wonderful friends. And yes, again, Vishwajit ji, something I'm learning again from you as usual. Every time we learn from you, your influence, your energy, the way you talk, the way you comes yourself being natural, that really matters. And hope this would helpful to all these millennials, young fellows as well. So once again, thank you very much, everyone. Be completely yourself, never shy. Do let me know if you have any queries and the concerns, and if you have any questions for me, please let me know. I would be happy to answer those.
So, like, summing up all the things, what could be that one piece of advice to all the freshers out there who will be graduating in year 2020 in this pandemic scenario? Like just one piece of life advice.
Okay, so considering COVID-19 situation right now, we are seeing that most of the companies have freeze the hiring. Though not completely 100%, but if I say our hiring IT sector has come down to around 50%, wherein we were hiring about say 75 people we were looking for. So just an example, we are now considering or thinking, can we manage on 50 people? But as I said, this is a temporary phase. Not more than a 1 year this would survive. So for all the fresher graduates 2020 who are passing about and would be available for the job market, don't consider all the situations. Stay positive, stay calm, because this shall pass definitely, and keep yourself upgraded. Take this advantage of this time where your colleges are lectures and colleges are happening from online of something you are doing from your home. Also see some virtual certifications, also see certain not only virtual certifications in technical background. If you are from a technical background, please you can see the options on the virtual certifications which supports your technical background and the skill sets, as well as something see on the personal level as well. If you could see some language certifications. Yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that other than the technical and the conventional field of career, HR, MBA, pharmaceutical, marketing representative, doctors, bank professionals, blah 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 blah, all there is one more interesting career ahead for everyone. That is something on the language. Language is the foreign language. You consider Japanese, Spanish, German and French. I see there is a lot of potential for Japanese language professionals in the market. We Fujitsu are struggling in India to have the qualified Japanese language professionals and the trainers. So this also can be, if you like training, if you like speaking people, talking people, this also can be an alternate area you can think for. And definitely this is going to be a good turning point of everyone's career, because in future there will be a lot many scope on the language front. And because day by day now people are getting convinced that yes, English is the secondary language and the primary language should be the national, that particular country's specific national language. So this also an alternate option. If you have interest, Pune Institute, Ranade Institute of Pune can be a good place you to search about it for the courses available. You can do it by side by side on learning, continue your current courses, current academics and the jobs as well. And as Gaurav said, the takeaway from my discussion is stay positive, keep upgrading yourself, do some virtual certifications and trainings to support your basic qualification, education and your career, interest of career. Keep continue networking on the social media. Majorly if we talk about the professional network, that is LinkedIn, but yes, you can join on some forums and the networks on the Facebook as well, wherever you see which domain you want to grow in your career. So this one thing. So I think these are the takeaways. Job market is there. rest assured about that. Today, though we do see not that much aggressive kind of hiring, but this is a temporary thing. This is a temporary thing. This will go by end of the 2020. And by end of the 2020, I do see a lot more potential for the new hirings, new avenues, and there will be a lot of the scope for the freshers as well, provided you are confident yourself. So, hope Gaurav, this suffices the purpose, and I was able to answer your query.
Absolutely, sir. It was indeed a wonderful session. Thanks for your insights, and it was really honor having over here. And I'm pretty sure that all the viewers and all the participants here have cleared their doubts. Yeah.
Thank you,
And
Pritesh, for your-
one more
Please
thing,
continue.
one more thing, like what we nowadays HR is looking forward for organizations amid COVID-19 is something we call as mental balance now. Okay, we are working from home now, so it is very much difficult while working from home rather than working from office because so many things we have. There are network issues, families around us, they do expect us to share some time, but it's not possible at all. We have kids at home. If it is 4 years, 5 years, we cannot explain them what's going on. They say, like, if my parents, if my elder brother, siblings, mama, mamu, masi, whoever is around me, why he or she is not spending time with me? So this is something, many things are going on in all the corporate world here. We are connecting all the HR professionals, how we balance this condition, work from home. So this matters for the students and the freshers also, since now you are not going out for the colleges, institutes and the courses. You are doing something online. You feel like about the future, job rahegi, nahi hoga, campus selection hoga, nahi hoga. Rest assured, completely throw out of all these thinkings from your side. Dedicate your time, something 2 hours in a day for something learning from your educational background. उस basis पे कोई online course करो, उस basis पे कुछ see the extra information, groups में interactions करो, interactive हो जा, दिन का 2-3 घंटा उसमें दे दो. थोड़ा देर अगर आपके exams आने वाले हैं, अगर if your exams are on hold down due to COVID-19, then do study only for an hour, because now we are not in that mental state कि 2-4 घंटे बैठ के स्टडी कर सके. तो 1 घंटा स्टडी कर लो, डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा माइंड. टीवी देख लो, जो तुम्हें पसंद है, टीवी पे, नेट पे, इंटरनेट पे, मोबाइल पे, वो देख लो. पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम बिताया करो. then whosoever is close to your heart, your sibling, your daughter, son, nephew, niece, बहन, भाई, friend, मामा, पापा, जो भी है उनके साथ हंस के बातें किया करो, because your mental wellness matters your confidence. So when I talk about the confidence is not something I will have to work out it. My confidence will come when I am mentally balanced and when I am mentally stable. So please keep yourself always mentally strong. Definitely, as a precaution, do give consideration on all the news, whatever we are hearing, whatever negatives happening around us. Do consider things, but उसको एक कान से सुन के बाहर निकाला करो और उसको मैं कैसे एडजस्ट करके मुझे जीना चाहिए, ये सोच के. You all have to be now consider yourself. What we call in a corporate world, the one word for this is a new normal. So this is a new normal. So try to learn, be yourself in a new normal. And thanks so much again. I'm sorry if you have taken too much of your time. I beg your pardon if I have taken as much time, because it's me, like if I start talking now, I keep talking and talking and talking, and I don't see myself stopping. So I'm so sorry if it's like someone is feeling, if someone has to rush for something and I took time. And thanks so much for this wonderful opportunity. Extremely happy to share my thoughts. Extremely happy to listen Deepak and Vishwajit ji and Sachin and Gaurav, once again, much more thanks. Fabulous job you are doing. Keep shining. God bless.